Hello.
Hello everyone.
Good morning and welcome to our booth.
Today we are going to talk about something different. Those who know us know that we are reviewing or making tutorials of software made by other people, but today this video will be a little bit different.
Yes.
Because, we wanted to create something ours, and me in particular, I started to learn some Python, and after a few weeks, this is what we've came up with.
Absolutely.
We tried to tackle one of the problems that most interpreters and mostly translators have when you receive PDF files that you want to convert in an editable format, like
Absolutely, which is quite common actually.
a DOCX document, and you would like then also to have a word or character count.
Absolutely. In a, let's say, in a very quick way, if possible. So that's why Francesco started to learn some programming language, right? And this is the result of his first brand new application.
So it's you can access it for free. I've uploaded the source code on GitHub, so it's open source, so anybody can download it, edit. You can, if you know,
We have suggestions.
If you have suggestions, also you can ask us. We are not programming experts or no software developers.
Absolutely. So bear with us because this is the first try we're having.
You can find this at github.com, and you will see but we will also put the address in the description. And yes, it's called the Smart PDF Converter. So what it does is that you put some files in the in folder, and then you will receive the output. You will receive an Excel file with the word count and also the documents in a doc format, in a Word form.
Editable format, absolutely. Yeah. So very easy. The functioning is quite easy.
Yeah, it's very easy. There are two versions, one for developers. So you just git clone the package, or you just download it and you use it with the Python interpreter if you have Python installed on your PCs. And if you're not tech savvy or you don't care about software development, so you don't want to have Python on your PC, there is,
which is quite common, I would say.
Yeah, there is a version right now for Windows in the releases, but we will also put the link in the description, where you can just have a clickable command file that will do everything automatically. So as you've seen, the pages are in Italian. It's been translated into English, so in a few days we'll find also the English version, just to present the file. But let's see how does it work. Will us? Okay, so when you'll download the release, you will download a zip file, and you will find this folders. Dependencies in this, well, these are just system files. These are the applications file. How does it work? So
ignore them.
Ignore them if you don't need them. You will have an in and out folder. In the in folder, I've already put a couple of files. There's an article of mine in a PDF format which has, selectable. Yeah, let me scroll down. Okay, which has selectable text.
Yeah.
And another one, which is an image PDF, so the text is not selectable, in order to test the OCR engine, because it works with Google Tesseract. So after you've put the PDF files in the in folders, you just open the converter. This is called convertitore.cmd. It would be called converter.cmd in an English version. You double click, you execute it, and it will tell you, it will ask you to enter the language of the files in order for the OCR engine to work better and to have a better recognition.
OCR needs to have the language, the input language, to be recognized.
Yeah, note that you will have to use this format for the languages because Tesseract uses this format, so we cannot use the ITENESFR, but
you need to
eng, fra, deus, pa. But now it's just these 5 languages, but there will be more.
Yeah.
So We do like this, and it will start analyzing the first document and creating the pages, and then in the second one it says no text found, so I'll make an OCR scan, and it will then conclude. After concluding, you just press enter
And
twice.
yeah.
You go to the out folder, and you will find the two files in a
editable format.
doc format.
Doc format, yeah.
So, for example,
That
this was the
sounds
first
good.
one, which had some Spanish and some English, but the output is generally good. So
Quite good, yeah.
you need just to, move something, but because it will comply with the formatting as much as possible, but it's not perfect.
Absolutely. So I think it's a good draft
It's a very good one
to start with.
for a free software. Yeah.
Yes.
And here is what the OCR, so as you've seen, it has extracted the text and gave us an editable format.
Yeah.
Then you will have a conversion report. It's a comma-separated value file, which you can open with Excel. And you can see all the data here, so it's quite easy to understand. But if you wish, you can select the data, go to data, and I think it's in English, it's text in column.
Yeah.
And you will have separation and then comma separation.
Yeah.
And it will create a table with, you have file name. This is character count, but you can also adapt the Python file. It's very easy to do it, to make it count words instead of characters, to count both. And then the method, whether it had done a direct conversion, so it was a readable PDF,
Or not.
or an
OCR.
OCR conversion with Tesseract.
Absolutely. So in this way, you get an immediate good draft to start with the editable version of your original PDF. For example, if you've been asked for a quotation for a translation, for example, and also a very quick word or character count. And it's all free. That's
It's
the basic
free.
idea.
So we ourselves use commercial and professional solutions like Adobe Fine Reader or Adobe Acrobat. But to start, and also know that to have some fun for me to develop this kind of solution, but to start and for simple text, which doesn't have a very complicated formatting, I suggest you to give it a try. And if you really want to help us to, to make your suggestions, to give us some suggestions, even more if you are knowledgeable about Python or other, programming languages, so that if you can help us further develop these, this application so that we can improve.
Yeah, we're very happy to welcome your suggestions because this was just our first try. So bear with us. It's a simple, very basic, but we hope useful application. And we hope this content was useful. See you next time.
So see you next time. And we, as always, invite you to if you like this video, please press like, share it with your friends.
Yeah.
Follow our YouTube channel for many other useful, at least we hope useful material. So subscribe and for other videos, other tutorials, and why not other homemade softwares that can be helpful for you as a translator, interpreter, or as a freelance worker in general.
Absolutely. So thank you very much. We hope this was useful. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.